Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jemima. In my last video, I gave you guys my thoughts about studying and writing. If you've not seen that video, please go see it. I'll put the link up for you. And I promise to give you guys a detailed tutorial on how I am able to study without writing down. That is what this video is all about. If that's what you're here for, let's get started. If you want to study without writing down, if you want to learn the diagram without writing down, you need to utilize the power of visualizing. If you do not know how to daydream, you will not be able to do this, trust me. Now, if you're studying a material, read through it like as if you're reading a novel, but your mind should be involved in that studying. While you're reading through the words, you need to be able to imagine it. For example, if you're reading anatomy of the axilla and you're reading about the contents of the axilla, you need to be able to visualize those contents exactly where they are located. You will need a lot of pictorial help. If you're not able to get pictorial help, especially if you're studying an abstract course like biochemistry, then this is where the power of your visualizing will come in strongly. As you're studying biochemistry and you're reading the words, try to imagine the words, try to think about the words while still studying. Let your brain be searching where you have seen that word before. If you're studying it and it's something you've never seen before, don't let it bother you. By the time you're studying it the second time or the third time, your brain will be able to refer back to the first or the second time that you studied that material, and your brain will be able to remember what that word is. Now, if you're studying a diagram, you need to be able to draw it in the air. And for you to be able to draw in the air, your memory, your ability to visualize need to be intact as you're drawing it. Imagine where each label is. You need to be in an environment where you can think without distractions, because you're literally going to be drawing it in the air, putting in all the labels, putting in all the features. If you're drawing a cell, all the organelles, you need to work on visualizing. Now, this is not to say that this method will work for everybody. This video is strictly for people who are like me, that get frustrated if they have to write down while studying, or if they have to learn a diagram by drawing it on a piece of paper. The first time I ever drew anything I drew in my anatomy exam was in the exam hall. I never learned any diagram by drawing it on a piece of paper anywhere. So if you're in this category, then this video is certainly for you. Another way you can learn a diagram without drawing it anywhere is by looking at the picture of that diagram. Search Google, search where that diagram is. Literally allow your mind to snap that picture. Look at that picture and take note of key labels. Close your eyes and try to picture where exactly it is without actually drawing it out. This also applies to learning a particular concept. If it's a concept that you're trying to learn, then you need to understand it. If you do not understand the concept, it will be difficult for you to be able to remember to write in exam without actually penning it down. In conclusion, to be able to study without writing, your memory needs to be intact. Your ability to daydream and fantasize about whatever it is that you're studying has to be intact. If there's anything I've forgotten while editing this video, I will certainly add it. See you next week. I remain your girl Jemima. Bye.